Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today we'll go over on how to use the Proton mail search. Now if you are searching for a particular mail from very long time ago and you don't know how exactly to find it, there are a few ways that you can do it. So if you head over to the search bar on the top, now the basic way to search it is just to add in keywords if you remember. So if you remember some keywords that particular email had, you can just type them in and then hit search. Now, if this way a lot of emails appear and you can't find the exact one, what you can do is add in a few search features. If you just see this option right here, you can click on the more search options and then you can add in more filters. You can add the starting date and then the end date as well. This is going to narrow down your searches from the exact start and the end date only. Also, if you remember, you can add in the sender's name or the email address, the recipient as well, and you can also search from all of the addresses. This way you're going to get a narrowed down search and then you can add in your keywords. This way you're going to get much better results and then find the exact email or the content that you're looking for. You can only search in individual folders as well, such as inbox or sent mails only. So that was a video about the way that you can use the search feature inside of Proton Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. Also check out other videos on this channel for more tutorials just like this.